Can you remove Gorilla Tape from a vintage handkerchief? Well, let's find out. As you can see, this handkerchief has some oxidation and stains from tanning lotion. It was our bride's something old, and this handkerchief belonged to her great-grandmother, so restoring it is a must. First, Bill starts off by using amyl acetate. Now, the spotter not only smells like bananas, but it is our go-to for removing glue, paint, and nail polish. What it does is it actually breaks down the glue and dissolves it, which is how it allows Bill to simply pull the tape off. Now it's time to deal with the remaining residue. Now that it's disinfected and tape-free, Jocelyn can work her magic to stitch up the hole that the tape caused. And now, it's time for a sodium perborate bath. This will remove the oxidation and stains, and it's left to soak for about 30 minutes. Next, it's ready to be wet cleaned, and Bill places it inside a mesh bag to help protect it during this process. Bill takes it over to the spotting board to dry it before pressing. Now, it's ready to be finished. Bill applies steam and then brings down the head. During this process, Bill found a little more tape residue and a little leftover stain, so we make our way back over to the spotting board to take care of it. One final press, and this handkerchief is as good as new and ready to go back home to be cherished.